Hello, this is Garemore. Today I am working on yet another Bluetooth mod. It is to this broken iD38 iHome docking station. I have all the buttons wired up, got the LEDs. I have rewired the power LED as an activity LED for Bluetooth. Here is the QCC3008 Bluetooth module. You have seen this before. And here are the new amp board that I have not seen yet. It is the NS1868. I don't remember. And of course, the star of the show, the Arduino Uno. Right now I have it set to right what button is pressed. There's power, bedtime, mode / EQ, time set, alarm 1, alarm 2, snooze, dimmer, wake up, play, pause, and then volume up, volume down, tune up, which actually changes the songs, tune down. These speakers actually sound really good, which is why I want to salvage the unit. You see the LED light is on, indicating that we have activity. In a future version of this project, I'll have the clock, the radio, the aux in the back, and all of this mess will be self-contained inside of here. What I'm doing is that I'm making a replacement main board and display board for this unit because the original display didn't work. I'm not sure if I said that already. And I'm going to get rid of the iPod docking station as I do not own a classic iPod anymore and have no incentive to get one. So that's it for this test and demo of my iD38 Bluetooth mod. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and support me by buying from my eBay, Mercari, and Depop stores. All of those links will be in the description. Goodbye.